is Aisha. Welcome back. Aboe suduo, abayo sudue, awowe suduo, ayeyo suduo. I'm going to teach you other words in Somali language. I start by bed. Bed is seriri wae. 10 is toboni wae. Egg is ukun wae, which is one. But when there are many eggs, we say ukuma wae. Vest is garan wae. Hen is doro wae. Wet is koyan. If something is watery, we say koyan wae. Men ni man when there are many. But if it's one person or one man, we say nini wae. Zebra is damerfuro wae. And pet is hayawan wae. Iyo libach, iyo murobi wae. And dig is fale, when you are digging in shamba. Bero wae. Red is gudud wae. Fish is malai wae. Sad is hanach wae. Baby is unuk. Chair is kurus wae. Dog is ei wae. And girl is kavari wae. If you love me and you like what I'm doing, please don't leave me out. Just subscribe, like, and share to my channel. I love you people. Sudo.